Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
I'm going to start by unclipping it from the hose here. These are just snap clips. Push them open. You can either try to pull this apart. It should come right out. We need to separate the airbox from this little air guide that comes from the front bumper. I use a flat-bladed screwdriver, or I'm using a very small pry bar. I'm just kind of popping the tabs in. Pull them apart. Now begin to separate that. Airbox is mounted on a rubber mount here. We'll pick up on that. It's also got a rubber mount on the bottom, so you basically pulled it out of the rubber mount. Just kind of move the hose a little bit. Kind of lift it up. There's a secondary air hose that's here. It's hard to see, but there are these two spots that have little ridges on them. You're trying to squeeze them together, and then at the same time, wiggle the hose away from the box. Just like that. Now the airbox, there's the rubber mount it was sitting on. There's a second rubber mount, so there's actually two. Put those back on there. So it goes back in, it's going to sit in these two white O-rings. I'll put this aside for now. Reinstall the airbox. So move the hose around here. Before I get too far with it, hook this hose back up. That just took some force. You had to really push down on it. And then we're just going to feed the hose back down into the opening where it came out of. And the airbox at the same time, we'll lower it in. Get over this little accordion part. So at the same time, this is going to sit over here. I also need to airbox onto those two pins that are down there. This needs to go way over, so I'm going to lift up this intake hose. Slide the airbox in. Get it kind of lined up where I want it. All right, that's good. I'm going to readjust it over here. Push it in there. Push it down into here, just like that. Now I can line this back up, this accordion boot. Get it lined up. This airbox is sealed in place. We'll line the hose up and reinstall it. It's got a locating tab on the bottom, locating tab on the top. It's right next to the metal clips. You might have to spread the metal clips a little bit, and then just kind of push this down in. I think just the O-ring is new, and it's tight, but that's installed.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.